In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to clean up your WordPress media library. WordPress makes several copies of media files that upload, and over time this leads to a ton of files in storage that are not used anywhere on your website. Cleaning up your WordPress media library saves disk space on your hosting server and reduces backup sizes. To clean up your WordPress media library, we're going to use a plugin. So first you need to install and activate the Media Cleaner plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now go to Media, and you can see we have this new option called Cleaner. Click on it. Ignore all this and scroll down. Click here on Scan, and the plugin will scan your website for all the media files. Now, it's going to take a few seconds for the scan to be completed, but then you get a list of media files. You can see the issue with the files here. And as you can see, for me, the issue with these files is that they're not being used on my website. So now you can just select the files that you want to delete, and just delete them by clicking here. Or you can click on Delete All. And that's it. This is how you can clean up your WordPress media library. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.